This summer, one of our fashion hot sales is EcoVampo series ERV. It breaks again our sales records this year. Although we have sold more than over 50 containers of its basic series EcoVent last year. Now, please follow me to learn what special features of this EcoVent Pro series. Unlike other series ERV, our EcoVampo series has 4 main advantages, including first, durable appearance design and excellent anti-corrosion performance. Second, integrated EPS structure for good insolution and airtightness. Third, super slim body design and 20% weight off than previous ERV. Fourth, easy maintenance access door at the bottom of the machine, no need to climb up to the ceiling. Besides, we have different controllers for options. Our controller is a big sales point as it has many smart functions, so our customers like it very much. For example, for the standard controller, it has the functions of temperature, time and day display, weekly timer and speed selection, bypass function, filter alarm, indoor air quality monitor, and the RS485 connector. And for the intelligent control system, it includes some unique functions like comfortable heater control, defrosting, CO2 control, filter alarm, fault alarm, power to auto restart, night-free cooling, BMS integration, and defrosting heater control and working condition monitor, and so on. So if you have the interest to learn more, welcome to contact us freely. Thank you.